Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of numbers. What do you mean by addition? Yes, we combine two or more numbers. Yes, the answer of addition is called total. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. In this chapter, we have to learn adding three numbers. That means adding three-digit numbers without regrouping with regrouping. Adding three-digit numbers without regrouping with regrouping. Without regrouping means simple addition. We get one-digit numbers. With regrouping means after adding ones place or tens place we get two-digit number. We are going to split that number and write ones number and carry forward the number. Okay, three-digit number means hundreds, tens and ones. What is the first three-digit number? 100. What is the last three-digit number? 999. That means the smallest three-digit number is 100. The greatest three-digit number is 999. In this adding three numbers, two lines subtractions, two lines additions, three lines additions without regrouping with regrouping. Okay, and three-digit numbers and two-digit numbers also we are going to add. Next one, adding four-digit numbers without regrouping with regrouping. Without regrouping means, yes, after adding we get single-digit numbers. In this also we practice four-digit numbers addition, two lines addition, three lines addition. Without regrouping with regrouping. With regrouping means, yes, number going to carry forward. We split the number and carry forward. Yes or no? And another one, word problems. Word problems. We are going to using words. What are the words we are going to using addition word problems? Add, total, sum, all, in all together, both, more, increase, etc. words we are going to using addition word problems. Next one, estimation. Estimation. Estimation means a method used. We do not know exact value. We guess a number reasonably to close it. Rounding off, yes, nearest to that number is estimation. That is the one of the method. Estimation means rounding off a number to the nearest 10, rounding off the number nearest to 100. Here two rules are there. Already we learned in the first chapter. Once again I am going to revise all, then go to today's class. Come on. Add or find the total or yes, find the sum. 324 plus 401. Start from ones, next tens, next hundreds. 4 plus 1, number plus 1, 5, number plus 0, same number. 3 plus 4, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 725. Clear? Next one. 170 plus 205 plus 311. Ones, tens, hundreds. Adding ones, 5 plus 1, 6. Adding tens, 7 plus 1, 8. Write in the tens place. Now adding hundreds, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6. The total is 686. We get the total adding the given, after adding the given numbers. Plus C symbol for addition. Number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, next number. When we add the given two or more numbers in any order, we get the same answer. Any order means up to down or down to up. That property is called commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. These are the rules in the addition. Number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, after number of the given number. Next number of the given number. We add any two numbers or three numbers in any order, we get the same total. Commutative property. Next example. 478 plus 256. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Start from ones. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 digit number. Split the number means ones place number ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again 2 digit number. Put side. 3 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. What is the total? 734. 3 digit numbers with regrouping. These are without regrouping. Another example. 284 plus 168 plus 305. Okay. Come on. Find the total. Start from ones place. First adding ones. Start from right side. First adding these two numbers. 4 plus 8. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Split the number. 7 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now adding carry forward number and this number. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again carry forward. Split the number. 5 right here. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 right here. What is the total? 757. This is going to addition of 3 digit numbers with regrouping. Another example. Are you understood? Already we can know. I think you all are practice in your rough notes or homework book. Very good. Another one. 300 plus 400. How much? See, very simple. Adding numbers. 3 plus 4, 7. Very good. Put 2 zeros. 300 plus 400 equal to 700. Very good. 500 plus 100. What is the total? Yes, adding hundreds place numbers. Right in the hundreds place. Put 2 zeros right side of the hundreds place. The total goes to 600. Okay, another one. Now adding 4 digit numbers. 4 digit means thousands. 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. 9999 is the greatest 4 digit number. All thousands are goes to 4 digit numbers. See. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 3150 plus 4510. Start from ones place. 0. 5 plus 1. Number plus 1. Next number of 5. 5 after 6. Here also 1 plus 5. 5 after 6. Now adding thousands. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the thousands place. Now the total is 7660. Another example. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 7 0, same number. Again 0 plus number, same number. Hundreds, 0 plus 9, same number. Now adding thousands. Take 7 fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write in the thousands place. Now the answer is, the total is 9,974. Here rule goes to number plus 0, same number. 1 plus number, next number. Another one. Again 4-digit number. 4,345 plus 453. Adding 4-digit number and 3-digit number. Start from, this is 3-digit number. Start from hundreds. Yes or no? 453. This is 4-digit number. Start from thousands. Now adding, start from ones. 5 plus 3, 8. Very good. 4 plus 5, 9. Very good. 3 plus 4, 7. Very good. Now no thousands. Bring down thousands number. Now what is the total? 4,798. This is going to, yes, 4-digit numbers, 2 lines without regrouping. That means simple addition. Next one. Again 4-digit numbers, 3 lines addition. 1,504, 3,002 plus 4,170. Sorry. 3 lines addition of 4-digit. Here also start from ones place. 4 plus 2, 6. Very good. 6 plus 0, yes, 6. Now adding tens. 0 plus 0 plus 7, 7. Now adding hundreds. 5 plus 1, 6. No need to add 0. 5 plus 1, next number. 5 after 6. Very good. Now adding thousands. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 8,676. 4-digit number, 3 lines. Now I am going to show you 4-digit number with regrouping. Similar to 3-digit number with regrouping. 4,375 plus 3,756. Regrouping from ones to tens, tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands. Okay? Start from ones. 5 plus 6, 11. Very good. Take 5 fingers. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry forward. 1 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now start adding from carry forward number. 1 plus 7, 8. Very good. 8 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again 2-digit number. Split the number. 3 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds place number. Start from carry forward number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right side. 1 right here. Split the number. That means separate. Now carry forward this number to thousands place. Start adding from carry forward number. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 8,131. This is going to 4-digit numbers with regrouping of 2 lines. Now I am going to show 3 lines with regrouping. 4-digit numbers. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 4,324 plus 3,085 plus 1807. 4 digit numbers, 3 lines with regrouping, adding from ones. 4 plus 5, 9. Very good. 9 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right side. 6 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens. Start addition from carry forward number. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right side. 1 right in the. Here split the number. 1's place number here. 10's place number carry forward to 100's place. Carry forward number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again 2 digit number. 2 right in the 100's place. 1 carry forward to 1000's place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. This is going to adding 4 digit numbers with regrouping of 3 lines. Are you clear? Okay. Now in the textbook exercises we completed with word problems also and estimation of sum. Estimation of sum. I show you one example. Estimate the sum. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. First. Ready? Come on. 27 plus 13. Given addition is this. Rounding off 27 is nearest to 30. Why? 7 is more than 5. 1's place number. Nearest to 10's means check out 1's place number. 1's place number is more than 5. Now we are going to change the 10's place number and put 0. Now rounding off 13 is nearest to 10. Why? 1's place number is 3. 3 is less than 5. That means no change. Estimated sum equal to estimated sum. Estimated sum is not actual answer. That is going to guessing answer. Now take these two tens. 30 plus 10 equal to 40. This is going to estimated sum. Now estimate the sum to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we are going to check 10's place number of the given numbers. 173 plus 248. Take these two numbers. 173. It is rounding off to the nearest hundreds means check the 10's place number. 10's place number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. Now change the hundreds place number. Then 1 becomes 2 and put 2 zeros. That means 173 is nearest to 200. Now take this number. 248. Rounding off this number to the nearest 100. Check the 10's place number. 4 is less than 5. That means no change in the hundreds place. Write same hundreds. Now estimated sum. Estimated sum equal to, take these two hundreds. 200 plus 200 equal to 400. This is going to estimated sum. Okay, Nana? Now going to in the textbook chapter revision. Chapter revision. That means ending of the chapter. In our textbook exercise, page number 44. Chapter revision. concept you learn in this chapter. Adding three numbers, three digit numbers with regrouping, without regrouping. Adding four digit numbers with regrouping, without regrouping. Word problems. Okay. See first Roman. Right. T for true and F for false. T for true, F for false. First one, given 200 plus 300 equal to, given answer goes to 700. Is it correct or wrong? How do you find the answer? Given total is 700. Simple, adding hundreds. 2 plus 3, 5. That means correct answer goes to 500. 700 is wrong. False. F. Total goes to, correct answer is 500. But they given wrong answer 700. 700 is wrong. 500 is correct. Adding hundreds. 2 plus 3 goes to 5. Put 2 zeros. 200 plus 300 equal to 500. Not 700. That is going to false. Go to second one. 529 plus 246 equal to 775. Is the total is correct or wrong? Going to by checking of the given numbers. 594 plus 246. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 775 is correct. That sum is correct. We have to check working. 775 is correct. Put T for true. Given answer is correct. Go to third one. 340 plus 598 equal to 813. The answer is correct or wrong? Again do the addition. Do working. Write both the numbers one below the other. Then add. 4 plus 8, 12. Carry forward 2. 2 plus 9, 11. Carry forward 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 912. Given answer is 813. It is wrong. False. Next, fourth one. 2051 plus 3101 goes to 5002. The total is correct or wrong? Yes, do working. That means we are going to add these given two numbers. 2051 plus 3101. After adding, we get the same answer, that is correct. 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 3, 5. The correct answer goes to 5152. This is going to wrong. That's why it's false. Understood? We are going to checking our total. Okay? Go to, come on Nana. Right. Now go to the second Roman. Second Roman matching is given. See. Column A, column B. Column A, column B. Okay na? Find the total here and find the total this side. First of all you have to find all the totals of column A. Next find the totals of column B. Then we are going to matching. Okay. First find the totals of column A. Next find the totals of column B. Okay. You do rough work. Take a rough notes and write each addition. And first of all find the totals of column A. Next goes to find the totals of column B. Then go to matching the whatever you get the totals. Okay. First one I will show you how. Column A 520 plus 416 kada. You do rough work in the rough book. 520 plus 416 like this. 0 plus 6 6, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 4 9. This total goes to 936. Write like this of all the columns A. Then go to column B addition and find the totals and do matching. Okay, my dear children. Next go to Roman C. Roman B goes to do yourself. Okay, find the totals and do matching with the totals. That is given for practice. Next, Roman C. Fill in the blanks. There are 300 plus 649 people in a village. 300 plus 649. Find the total. 949. Write in the dash. There are 949 people in a village. Out of them, 256 plus 124 equal to what? Men. How many men they are asking? We get the number of men by adding these two numbers. By adding these two numbers. Do rough work aside. 256 plus 124. Yes? 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 5, 7. Sorry. 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. There are 380 odd men. 380 odd men. We get the number of men by adding these two numbers. Next one. 249 plus 150 dash were women. How do you get women? Yes. Shall I rub this addition? Are you clear? Okay. Here we have to find out number of women. How do you get women? Number of women? Yes. Adding the given two numbers. These two numbers. Write one below the other. 249 plus 150. Okay. Now 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. How many women? 399. We get the answer. Now 90 plus 80 equal to what? Children. Are you wrote down that? Yes. Now how many children in that village? Children. How do you get number of children? By adding these two numbers. 90 plus 80. 9 plus 8. 70 and put 0. How many children are there? If you want, write like this. 90 plus 80. 0. 9 plus 8. 17. Total children are 170. Understood? Roman C, Nana. This is going to C. Fill in the blanks. We are going to given for practice matching. Find the totals and write here. Here also find the totals and write and do matching. C. Number of, there are 949 people in the village. In 949, 380 are men, 399 are women, 170 are children. We get these total by adding of these numbers. First addition is 256 plus 124. Second addition is 249 plus 150. Third addition is 90 plus 80. Okay? Are you note down? Okay. Now go to D. Roman D. This is going to Roman C. Chapter division. Page number 44. Chapter revision, Nana. Roman B, do yourself. Roman B, do yourself. In the same way, Roman D, add the following also. You do yourself in the textbook. B goes to match the following. These two you done yourself in the textbook. Roman B and Roman D. Roman D, 3-digit number additions, do yourself. Roman B, match the following. Once again, first of all, find the totals of column A, write aside each one. Next goes to column B and find the totals and right side. Now going to do matching. Understood? Column A addition first. Find the totals. Column B addition, find the totals. Next do matching with each total. Understood? Column D also having additions, 6 additions. You practice in your textbook only. Okay, my dear children, and learn tables from 2 to 10 and practice these 2 additions in your textbook. Thank you, my dear children. Take care. Bye.